to solve a problem like this, I know it's not fun, but you do need to have memorized your unit circle. I've got an image of it down here so you can take a look as well. But for these sort of tests, you should at least have the first quadrant memorized. From there, you can get the rest. Now, the other thing we need to remember, though, is when we're talking about the sine ratio, it is y over r, r representing the radius of the unit circle, which, remember, is just 1. So if we know that sine of x equals root 3 over 2, that's essentially the y value, because if we're just divided by 1, it doesn't, we already know that our value is 1. So we're looking for where on the unit circle we have a y coordinate of root 3 over 2, and we can see that happens right here at this point. Okay, so for part A of the question, what is cos of x? Well, cos is x over r, right? So in other words, we need to think, what is the x coordinate of that same point? Well, we can see that that is 1/2. So to answer A, cos of x is going to be equal to 1/2. I mean, it's really 1/2 over 1, which would just be 1/2. Anyway, moving on to part B, what is angle x? Well, that is 60 degrees. We've got our 30, 45, and 60 degree angles here. So x is equal to 60 degrees, or pi over 3 in radians, but we're not worrying about that since we are talking about degrees. Finally, part C is asking, what is the angle complementary to x? Well, to answer that, you need to remember that complementary angles are angles that add to 90 degrees. So pretty simple. 60 plus what makes 90? Well, that would be 30 degrees. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.